When you get a good clean dab of the filler material into your puddle, the tip of your filler rod is going to look like this. It's going to have a nice little clean point. It's not going to have some deflated balloon looking thing like this here. A clean point like this means you got the filler material in and out nice and smooth. Now, as you are traveling feeding the filler material, maintain the angles that we talked about earlier. We want to keep the standoff distance in nice and consistent as well. As we start, we want to make sure the first filler dab is filling up nicely. When you add filler material, we want to see the reinforcement build up. We do not want quick dabs that do not add any reinforcement like this. However, we do not want to see too much reinforcement that we lose the smooth transition between the filler material and the base material. You're going to see edges that do not transition nice and smooth like this here. Once your first puddle looks great, you can go ahead and you can start moving now. What I do is I move in a stepping pattern like this. I'm going to move, dab, wait, move, dab, wait, and repeat this. Now when I'm stepping, I want to make sure that I don't step too far apart. Stepping too far apart exposes the center of each step, and it's going to cause the line on the edge to go in and out. We want to keep things on the edge nice and straight like this here. I find the ideal distance for stepping is for each puddle to cover approximately 2/3 to 1/2 of the previous puddle each time you take a step. When you're welding, travel along as far as you're comfortable, and then we want to see how consistent you can keep this. We want to see a consistent width from start to finish with this one. We don't want any areas skinnier or wider than others. We want to keep the stepping distance consistent and correct. And we want adequate reinforcement from start to finish. Now in my program, what we do is we actually follow a really strategic layout on the practice material as we are practicing.